Today we are going to make DIY flaxseed gel. It is a hairstyling gel. It is suitable specially for curly hair. For this you need 2-3 spoons of flaxseed and water. You can decide the quantity of flax seeds according to the length of your hair. Add this flaxseed to the water and stir it with the spoon properly. After stirring it, we are going to heat it. Let it heat for a while and bring it to boil. As the mixture boils, gel gets thicker and thicker. You need to stir it in between so that it won't overflow. As the gel gets thicker and thicker, its bubbles increase like this. Now we are going to check the consistency. It is still watery. So we are going to boil it for some more time. Let's check the consistency once again. It is little bit thicker, but it needs to get even more thick. Now the gel has become thicker and this is the perfect consistency for our flaxseed gel. So now we are going to switch off the gas and then let the gel cool down. This gel has cooled down. Now we are going to strain it through a cotton cloth. You can also strain the hot gel through a normal strainer, but it is always better to strain it when it is cold so that we can strain every drop of the gel properly like this. So good quality flaxseed gel is now ready. You can see the consistency of it. Your flaxseed gel is ready. How you can use it, I am going to show in the next video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Also click on the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you will get notification. Let me know in the comment section whether you find this video useful. Thank you.